Now let us start familiarizing with each of the utility. First, face recording, for which you have to select a scene and give the option, add the source, video capture, OK. So that is seen here. Your face is being recorded and give it OK. You can configure the video by going here. So many options are there. Then OK. You can increase the screen size by dragging this corner, or you can just right click it and go to scale filtering, full screen source, like that, transition properties, scale filtering. There are so many options. Fit to screen, transform and fit to screen. So it is here. So likewise you can do your video. This is what is called face recording. Now the other option is you can disable the video capture here by clicking this icon. Then second is image recording. You can add the other source as image. You can select a source image by clicking OK. Then automatically it will ask to browse the image file. Browse it. You can select any pictures you want. OK. OK. So that also you can extend or transform to fit screen, and it will be here. So you can start describing about the picture on your screen and deliver your lecture. This is what is called image recording. Now the third option is, if we want to deliver the lecture along with the image, you can show your face here by adding a display capture mode, video capture mode. OK. OK. So here it comes. So along with the picture, you can explain the picture and then you can comment on the major attributes with a direct face-to-face contact. So this option is called image plus face recording.